Good morning, everyone. It is a Saturday today. Wala pa akong hilamos and magluluto ako ng itlog. May appointment kami ni Kat today. And then afterwards, I have work. Pero we're gonna try to return the soundbar that we bought kasi medyo mahina siya. So, we'll just return it to get another one, a new one. We just bought this last week actually. Pero, hindi siya nag-work masyado. Well, nag-work naman siya, pero it's really quiet. So, we're just gonna get a new one. Another one. I'm gonna cook first. So,
okay, so bibili tayo ngayon ng Starbucks ng kape sa taas. May Starbucks sa kape na, may Starbucks sa kape. May Starbucks sa taas namin. So doon na lang ako pupunta. Earlier pala this morning, mga around 9 a.m., nagpunta ako ng dentist kasi nag-x-ray. Hindi ko na vlog pero tinitignan nila yung tinitignan nila yung nerves kung saan or kung matatamaan ba siya dun sa like super delikado ba yung case if magtatanggal ng wisdom tooth, actually teeth kasi tatlong wisdom teeth yung tatanggalin. And then kanina siguro sa mga around mga around 9:30 andun na ako, pero mabilis lang ako lumabas. Siguro mga 30 minutes. Quick lang talaga scan sa x-ray. And then tinapos lang yung diniscuss lang kung ano mangyayari. And then bumalik na ako kaagad dito. Si Kim nasa taas. And ang ganda ng araw. Kaya nasa labas ako nag-park. Andun ako nag-park kanina. Kaya bili muna tayo ng kape. Let's go.
I'm calling. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself, I can't help it. All mine. Yeah, maybe I'm selfish. You're my ladies and I can't. Maybe I'm selfish. I want you to myself.
Nasa bahay na tayo, guys. And look at that. Huy, grabe. Kanina nung umakyat ako, ang ganda ng araw. Super. And then, ang daming nasa labas lang. Like, yung may patio sa diba, sa Starbucks. And then, andun, ang daming mga taong nakaupo dun kasi maganda nga yung araw. And then, today, nagluluto si Kim. Nagluto siya ng this one and this one. Breakfast namin today. Guys, meron akong problema. So, yung meron kaming dito, yung parang ano ba tawag nun? Yung pang-dispense ng tubig. Water dispenser. Meron kami ganun. Tinanggal ko kasi nalupat na siya. But then, nung tinanggal ko siya, look, naiwan yung... So, paano ko tatanggalin yan? Paano ko kukunin yan? So, baka magtaka kayo kung bakit andito yung namin, water dispenser namin. Dito talaga yan sa kusina. Pero yung kusina namin ngayon, super bakante. Dahil, kung naalala nyo yung video namin na nag-flood dito sa unit namin or dito sa ilang floors dito sa building namin, may progress na sa repairs. Kaso, matagal nga yung nila. Matagal yung repairs nila. Phase by phase daw yun eh. So, pero dito naman, sa storage namin, so far okay naman na siya. Na-fix na nila yan. Wala nang cracks and everything. Pero yung inaayos nila ngayon is yung sa namin, sa bedroom.
oh my God, I can.
Guys, update muna namin kayo mamaya. Ayusin muna namin to. Okay guys, kakain na tayo. Actually, meron pang corned beef dito, pero hindi pa tapos. Super magiging busy ang araw namin today. Dahil, magiging busy siya dahil marami kami gagawin ngayon na mga self-care, something. So,
no, it's because it's the end of the year and you have to use your benefits and it's already almost December and we have still some benefits left. So, yeah.
True. So, kanina, yung nabanggit ko na punta ako ng dentist. Matagal nang matagal nang nakaplano yun. But then, lagi lang na-reschedule dahil ang hirap ng schedule ko din sa work. Hindi magtugma. And then, mamaya, may kami ni Kim.
I think I put too much water.
That's okay. I like it. May sabaw. And then, mamaya, meron kaming massage. Massage.
Yeah, we're gonna return this one.
Oh, yeah. And may return din kami na speakers. Teka lang guys, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito, binili namin to last time. Saan natin to nabili? Sa Best Buy, JBL. We originally wanted to buy the, the Sonos.
Pero sabi namin, huwag na lang yun kasi ito na lang muna. Since it's mura. Pero, medyo mahina yung sound niya. Okay naman siya.
Parang you get what you paid for. Parang ganun.
Yeah.
Pero,
like, look, it's really wide. Tapos, mahina yung sounds niya. So, we're thinking na yung Sonos na lang bibilin. Yung Sonos ba bibilin?
we'll see mamaya kung available pa yung
Okay.
Kaya
Anyways,
i-return namin siya.
tingnan nyo guys. We keep the boxes all the time for at least like 2 weeks or 3 weeks or a month or something. Kasi we just want to make sure na we actually like it before we commit to
We settle.
throwing it out.
Yeah.
Because pag walang box, you can't return it. So yeah, always keep your boxes for at least a month.
A month?
Yeah, because the return policy is 30 days.
Oh yeah, that's true.
Whew.
Wait lang. Guys, let's eat. Nanonood kami ng Suliman. Hindi ko alam, kayo lang ba? Yung yung sinasabaw yung yolk dito. So yung ulam natin for today.
Guys, these are farm fresh eggs.
Farm fresh eggs. Galing sa farm talaga.
Did you know that your eggs that you buy from the grocery store are like months and months old already? So, yeah.
Yeah. Like, tinan niyo, corn beef namin may sabaw. Meron pa naman din dito. Ang ganda tingnan ng natin, oh. Okay, let's eat! Ayan, naiputan kami. Sabi ni Kim, kung iwa-wipe niya, baka mag-spread pa daw, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, paalis na kami ngayon, guys. Pupunta na kami dun sa Kingsway na may massage kami dun. Dun kami lagi. And, so far, okay naman sila. Wala naman kaming complaints about paano sila magdala ng clients nila. They're so good. Okay, let's go.
Okay guys, so nauna na si Kat kasi we were running kind of late. Actually, I gotta go now too. So I'm gonna go upstairs. I'm probably not gonna vlog upstairs anymore because siguro maraming patience. Anyways, see you guys later.
Okay, we're already here. Nag-fill out lang siya ng mga forms ngayon kasi ewan ko, wait lang. Hello. So, natapos na yung massage natin kanina. And then now, andito na tayo ngayon sa car wash. Inano ni Kim yung ipot ng bird kanina. Wala na siya. Ayan. So, ito yung namin, pinupuntahan talaga yung go-to namin na car wash area dito. And we like it so much kasi 24 hours sila dito. And, may mga times na busy sila, pero lagi naman talagang may place or like may space for us. May isa kaming pinupuntahan din malapit dito, yung automatic na car wash. We like it there. Pero mga once in a while lang kami pumupunta doon if may mga feel lang namin, if gusto namin i-treat yung car namin. Yung ganon. Maraming nag-car wash kanina. And then, umalis kami kaagad kung saan kami kasi sabi ni Kim may nag-aantay daw doon. So ngayon, ano naman to? Flat tops. So ngayon, papunta na tayo ng Best Buy. Return natin yung natin, yung ang tawag nito? Speakers. And, yun lang naman talaga yung gagawin natin ngayon. Kasi mamayang hapon, mag-work si Kim sa second job niya. Pupunta siya for alas siya. So, kailangan matapos na namin lahat ng lakarin namin today. I mean, this morning. Para bukas, hopefully, pahinga na lang and para sa bahay. Right?
Right.
Right. Okay, the reason why we don't go on Black Friday sale, maraming tao. Returns na to, guys. Pero, mahaba ang pila. Okay. We are at Best Buy now. Na-return na namin yung... Ha?
Sale right now.
Na-return na namin yung speakers.
Oh, for them.
And then guys, look, may nagustuhan kami dito na TV and look how nipis. Super nipis. And it's already OLED. Ang ganda! Grabe! So amazing! We are back sa bahay. And we ended up getting the Sonos. Kasi mas maganda naman talaga siya. Mas okay siya. Although, medyo may mas higher yung price niya compared dun sa JBL. But this one's really good. Sonos is really good. So, okay na yun. Tapos na yun. Yung problema na lang namin ngayon is ito. Hindi pa rin namin siya ma-figure out. Siguro ita-transfer na lang namin yung water and then para mas madaling makuha yung But yeah. Right?
I'm gonna set this up.
Okay, magsa-set up si Kim niyan and then magsasayang ako ng rice for us din. Medyo nagutom ako. Okay.
Ray, like my grandpa.
Ray, like her grandpa. Okay, mag-unbox tayo ng Sonos. Wow, that's so pretty.
Mas maganda yung packaging nito kaysa dun sa JBL kasi mas mura yung JBL.
Yeah. We didn't like the JBL. Okay siya nung tinest namin siya dun sa guys.
Ray!
Anyway, so mas maganda yung packaging nito. Oh, wow, so pretty.
Wow! Wow!
So, matagal na talaga ang gusto ni Kim bumili ng Sonos, guys. But, before...
Like it's one of those, I don't know what it's called, like when you flip it, it's Sonos, and it's still Sonos.
So, before kasi, yung iniisip namin na bilhin dati, hindi pa kami nag-isip ng speakers. But she always wanted to get the speakers na Sonos. So, ngayon, since nag-upgrade kami ng mas malaking TV.
Oh yeah, so that's another upgrade that we need to show you guys. So we got a new TV. Kung naalala niyo yung TV namin dati, 43 inches. We had to get one because it stopped working. It stopped working properly.
So, kaya mas maganda talaga mag-invest ng,
Look,
yeah.
ito na lang siya. So we still have the
space for the bottom. Okay. Yeah, so bumili kami ng ganito, guys. And then, meron din siyang light sa likod for us na may mga churva-churva. But, yeah, so we had to postpone yung pagbili ng Sonos. Even though, matagal naman na niya talagang gusto yan. Kasi nag-upgrade kami ng TV. But now...
Let's get started.
Okay. But now...
How do I plug it into the...
Baka mayroong naman But now, eto na. Bumili na talaga kami nito. Anyways, set up muna ni Kim yan and then we'll update you later. Bye. Bakit bye-bye?
Hi guys, I am off. It's a little bit past midnight and I am off now. It's cold. Cars are frosted. But yeah, finally off. It's finally my weekend. So that is nice. But anyways, I'm gonna start to drive now. It only takes like maybe 7 minutes to get home, so yeah, hopefully there's not a lot of cars because it's Saturday and people are partying And also because it's like close to December now, so a lot of people are having their Christmas holiday parties, and so there might be a lot of like cars outside trying to get home or something, and yeah, that time of year. But anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys at home. I'm gonna drive, pretty tired, but yeah, productive day today.
Good morning, guys. Good morning.
It is now Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday today, and super foggy all over. All over. Super foggy yung ano ngayon. Siguro malamig nga talaga. Ilang degrees ba? Yeah, malamig. And super foggy. Tingnan nyo yung sun. Natatakpan siya ng ano. And magbe-breakfast kami ngayon ni Kim. Pupunta kami ng A&W. May breakfast ano sila doon. Parang platter. Na-try ko last week. And then nagustuhan ko. Kasi super sulit, and then hindi naman masyadong crazy. So kakain tayo doon tayo magbe-breakfast.
Except 12 na.
Except 12 na. But we'll see. See you guys. May nakakita ba kayo? Kasi wala kami nakakita. Pero sa camera parang mas clear naman siya compared to but doon sa unahan talaga siya, super foggy talaga. Yeah, so iba siya sa personal, medyo mas foggy pa siya. Wala na talagang nakikita doon, super dilim. Yeah, pero dito sa camera may like super clear.
Oh, really?
Ay, not super clear,
Even
pero
like,
may naman. Ayun na. May... yeah. Guys, magde-deliver na po. Ito yung mga...
The minions. Oh, speaking of, may delivery pala ako ngayon.
Okay. Hi, Amazon. Hi, Amazon. Hi, Amazon.
Ay, meron pa isa.
Meron pa pala isa. Kasi andito yung andito yung office ng Amazon, guys. Ang laki ng warehouse, yeah. Warehouse and office kasi 'di ba dalawang buildings 'yun. Ang laki ng nila dito.
We've arrived. I don't even know if there's still breakfast, but I hope there is.
It says 24 hours.
Yeah, pero yung plated, I don't know. This is my order. They're just classic breakfast. Pretty good.
Hey, we're already done. Tapos na kaming kumain doon. Like, may taga-Washington dito na nag-visit. And then now, papunta kami ng winners dito sa sa Market Crossing.
Yung Honda na yan, that's new.
Which one? Yeah, this one. Oo, dati nasa Kingsway sila, and then now lumipat sila dito sa Marine. Tama ba, Kingsway?
Oo, kasi sa Kingsway sa Burnaby, because si Tito Willie, he works there. Shout out to Tito Willie.
Shout out, and Tita Annie. Shout out.
Yeah, he works there. So if you guys need something, don't ask him because I don't know if he's allowed.
But yeah, so malapit lang tong winners na to, guys, sa pinagkainan namin na A&W kanina. Nasa lang din to, nasa Marine Way. Why? Marine Y. And then ito yung Market Crossing. Dito kami laging pumupunta, 'di ba? Sa pictures, sa videos namin dati. But yeah, we're always here.
So if you wanna
Diyan yung
see what we do in real life. Oh my god, look at that dog!
Oh! Ooh!
Alam mo, kahapon may dog dun sa, diba? We are now, Ariko! Is this Gandalf? Gandalf with celebrating Christmas. Look at this. This is so nice.
Wait. Napapakita ko sa inyo. So guys, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng set niya. May mga ganito, may mga ganito. And then, the reality is...
Maganda na naman. Tada! Cute. I love it.
May ganito pa, oh. Fresh milk
white
and
sugar.
white sugar. Hey. Guys, may araw na siya dito. Ay, nasan ba yung araw? Ayan. May araw siya dyan. Pero dito, super ano pa din. Tingnan yung mga buildings na yan.
What the fuck?
What the fuck? Hindi nakikita na. But yeah, super lamig sa labas. Papunta pala kami ngayon ng TNT kasi bibili kami ng aricados for
Sinigang for today and then some veggie for the rest of the week.
veggie and fruits. Yeah. Alright. Gusto sana namin pumunta dun sa TNT sa may papuntang Coquitlam na IKEA, but super layo na.
Yes, it's too far.
Yeah, so dito na lang kami.
Ang daming cars today for an unknown reason.
For unknown reason. Oo nga. So, yeah, we're on our way to TNT. See you guys. Ang traffic, sobra. Tingnan niyo, kanina palabas kami ng ng parking. Sabi ni Kim, dito tayo dumaan away para hindi tayo ma-stuck. Kasi sa kabila yun. But then, na-stuck din naman kami dito. I think every entrance and exit dito ngayon sa mall, masyadong busy at masyadong traffic dahil nga Black Friday weekend. Right? Yeah. But, ayan na ang araw. Tumitirik na siya. I mean, pa-sunset na mamaya. But, wala nang fog. So, yes. Antay-antay na lang muna tayo dito hanggang makausad yung traffic. Yeah. Nakalimutan naming banggitin sa inyo na galing na pala kami ng TNT kanina. But, hindi na kami nag-vlog because super busy at ang daming tao sa TNT. Alam nyo ba na yung mga carts doon nagbabanggaan na sa loob kasi ang busy talaga?
Yeah, it's so stupid.
Yeah.
People don't have direction.
Walang sense of direction. But eto pa rin tayo, nag-aantay pa rin tayo na makausad because it's so traffic. Ayan oh. Oh my God. Ayun, tignan nyo. Dito na lang tayo.
So it's now 7 p.m. and is that okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Why?
Kasi naglagay ako ng bagong
Yeah.
yeah, and it looks a little bit darker.
I think that's normal.
Okay. But anyways, 7 na. Wala na kami napakita sa inyo na we were supposed to do like a haul earlier of like the things that we bought, which were just recados para sa ano ba? Sinigang. And then some fruits like banana, persimmon, yun lang.
Yeah.
And then dun sa Winners we bought
A guasha.
guasha. Let me show you. Guasha. This one. We're gonna try those those exercises sa face. Supposed to be for like circulation, diba, ng
According to
And then like definition na rin ng bone structure or whatever. Tapos this was only $12 and then we bought
gifts.
we bought a gift and then also we bought a face wash because I saw a face wash there that I wanted to try. Yeah, ang dami nilang mga stock for like yung mga trending na skincare. Yeah, so it's all there like CosRx. CosRx was there, and then basically everything that Sephora has they had. So that's That's nice. But anyways, nagdala din ng food sa amin si Tita Annie at saka si Tito Willie. Let me show you. So, they gave us this. Laing and giniling with quail eggs. Yeah, so thank you.
Thank you!
Yan. Pero nagluto na rin kami ng sinigang. That's good for the week na rin, no?
Yeah. For the entire week.
Yeah. Kasi medyo busy kami this week. I work twice, 2 nights for this week. And then, on Friday, may, ano naman kami, may work thing. Kasi, diba, December na, so there's a lot of holiday parties and stuff like that. But anyways, it's gonna be a busy week, like always.
Yeah.
And, yeah.
Is it pointing at me?
Yeah, it's pointing at you. So yeah, we have ulam na for the rest of the week. We have, probably this is gonna be for like the rest of the week too. Kasi this is a lot, tignan nyo. Yeah, it's a lot.
And the sinigang also.
Yeah, the sinigang. So yeah, thank you for our dinner for the week, Borjal family, because they always feed us.
Thank you.
It's either the parents of Angelou feed us or Angelou and Yongi feed us. So it's a weekly thing. But anyways, that's it, I guess.